in this tutorial, I'm going to show you how to create a presentation in 1 minute and in PowerPoint. So head over to add in, Chat GPT, search, add this. Now here write the name of your presentation, what you would like the presentation to be about, presentation topic, pasta, slides 3, 4 maybe. Wait for this. Now we have our slides with images. If you want to customize this even more, what you can do, close this, go to designer and select a slider that you would like to customize, and then just click on that slider, designer. Now add your new design with animation transition as well. Next one, third one, so I really hope you found this helpful. Thank you so much for watching. Subscribe for more tutorials.